Hey YouTube, this is Mike, and I just wanted to ask you a quick question. What program can you join and make $750 within 24 hours and not send out an email, not buy a solo ad blast, don't even tell anybody, and wake up the next morning within a 24-hour period and make 750 bucks? I'm going to tell you where you can do that at 50/50 crowdfunding. Yes, you heard that correct. 50/50 crowdfunding. What is 50/50 crowdfunding? It is a place where you can go and create funds to fund a home-based business, your church, your youth group at church, school functions, medical bills, schools, car repairs, whatever you need. If you need to grow funds for anything, especially a home-based business opportunity, you need to pay attention to this website right now. And also, if this is your first time visiting one of our videos, I highly encourage you and I invite you to click on the button below this video and subscribe to our channel, ring that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. Now, this site, if you join with us, with this system, okay, we're going to give you the same replicated website with your unique sign-up link within these backlinks right here, okay, with these hyperlinks, I'm sorry. You'll get your own website when you start up. I'll make you a website just like this right here. And when you join our business model, if you'll read the donations levels and your benefits right here, this does all the explaining. Now, if you want access to this website right now, I encourage you to go to the description box below this video and click on that link. It'll take you straight to this website, okay? So your total earnings could be on each level $750, $1,500, $3,000, $6,000, and $12,000. Guys, let me ask you something. Who could not use this kind of money? A church, they could use this money to raise funds for their youth groups, for their senior trips, for maintenance around the church. Guys, this system is, let me show you, it's just amazing what can be done with this program. It could change your lifestyle in a blink of an eye. Look right here, guys. Look at all these benefits, okay? Let's see here. Click on home. Fundraising ideas. Here we go. Student debt. Get healthy. Your church. Medical research. Holidays, which is vacations. Credit card debt. What credit card debt? I don't have any credit card debt. University tuition. Travel. Mortgage. You know, if you're late behind your payments on your rent or mortgage, this program can help you get ahead, folks. Sports equipment. What is sports equipment? I know you got kids. They play for the rec department, right? High school, middle school, little league. Get them that new shoulder pads and helmet. Go ahead. All right. Food banks. Emergencies. What's emergencies? Illnesses. Family members. You need to travel out of town. You live in South Carolina. You need to go to New York for the weekend because your aunt, uncle, mother passed away. Funds for that. You could generate the funds for that, folks. Personal reasons, weddings, animal care, entertainment, homelessness, you know, graduation parties, charity, volunteer work, business ideas, family, higher education, community, surprise events, and religion. Guys, this crowdfunding source right here, 50/50 crowdfunding, is amazing. So anytime someone signs up under that program, up under you, you're going to get 50% of the enrollment fee at $250. You're going to get 50% of that. Now, I've got a huge bonus that I want to include in this program, okay? When you join with me, you're going to also get a website, just like I showed you, okay? You'll get the same website right here. See, with all these added benefits, you're going to get the home page, you're going to get how it works, the videos, you're going to get the description, how you get paid, how people below you get paid, and you get their funding. This is a top-notch, top-of-the-line website. It is 2018, 2019 is going to launch. This system is going to launch over into 2019, and it's going to create a lot of people a lot of money. So if you have a business opportunity that you're trying to grow funds for right now, especially those high ticket programs that are $3,000 and $4,000 and $5,000 to join, like, you know, if you're looking to join 8-Figure Dream Lifestyle, you need to grow the funds for that. 50/50 crowdfunding will help you out with that. Think about it. Title, Millionaire Mentor Alliance. Those programs are $3,000 to $20,000. You can make that money and join those programs with ease with 50/50 crowdfunding. Okay? Guys, I encourage you to take action today. Again, if you're new to our video channel on YouTube here, I invite you to click that subscription button below this video, ring the bell, give us a like, and also we're accepting all new and any positive comments on our site. We try to stay positive because positive thinking brings positive results. If we can help you this year, 2018 and beyond, I encourage you to take action today. You can simply start by clicking the link below this video. And hey, most people are scared to put their phone numbers out there. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or by text or just pick up the phone and call me at area code 803-537-1571, and I will see you on the inside. Make it a great day.